Okay, true false question 3.4. Question 3.4, consumer with convex preferences who is indifferent between bundles 1, 2 and 9, 6 will like the bundle 5, 4 at least as well as either of the first two bundles. So the bundles are 1, 2 and 9, 6. Okay, so in the so there are two bundles 1, 2 and 9, 6. So there's this bundle 1 comma 2 and there's another bundle 9 comma 6. Okay, and he's indifferent between these two bundles. Okay, so the IC basically IC would look something like this. Okay, the IC would pass through these 2 points A and B. Okay, what can you say about a positively sloped IC? No, it's just that one of the commodities is a bad. Okay, so you have a positively sloped indifference curve when one of the commodities is a bad. You cannot at this point of time say which of these commodities X and Y is a bad, but all you can say is that one of the commodities is bad. So I am giving him more of X, so I have compensating him with more of Y. For example, if I increase his working hours from 1 to 9, I have to increase his wages from 2 to 6 or vice versa. So one of these commodities is good, another is bad. That's all I can say. Okay. Then there's another bundle 5 comma 4. Okay. So what is 5 comma 4? 5 comma 4 is the midpoint of these two bundles. Okay, so the midpoint M is 5 comma 4. Okay, now the crucial piece of information is that preferences are convex. So what do you mean by convex preferences is that if you are indifferent between bundles A and B, then any convex combination of A and B will be strictly preferred. So if you have another bundle C which is T times A plus 1 minus T times B for T belonging to 0 to 1, then the bundle C will be strictly preferred to A or B. Okay, so what this implies is if you connect both these things with a line segment, okay, a straight line segment, then all the points on that straight line segment will be strictly preferred to either of these two bundles. Okay, so that was the definition of convexity that we saw. So yes, by convexity the bundle 5 comma 4 will be strictly preferred or at least as preferred as either of the first two bundles. Okay, so in weak convexity you will get 5 comma 4 indifferent. Okay, in strict convexity you will get strictly preferred, but in weak convexity you will get indifference. So here we have not been given convexity strict hai ya weak hai, so that's why we'll just say that it is at least as well as either of the first two bundles. So that's why this statement is true.